Okay, this video is for summer 15 question paper 3-1 or May June 2015 question paper 3-1 for ICT 0417. You work for hothouse design and will produce materials for the Maldives tourist board. Create a new folder called j1531_html. So what you're going to do, make a new folder in drive D. Go to drive D. I have already here drive C only. A new folder named j15 j1531_html. This is the folder that you will use. This will be your work area. Locate the files. Now this website is not in working, so these are the files that you will need, and you will copy them in your HTML folder. So these are the files. I'm just going to copy them in this folder. Now the reason that we have created the folder in drive C or D directly is because when we have to insert the file path, then it is to avoid the long path and which will be difficult in printing. Then you can use directly make the folder in directly C or D. Open the file j15 evidence. This is the file. Make sure your name appears on every page, so you can add this in header. Better to add this in header. Insert the header. Always use the 3-column header. Write your name, number, center number, or you can write it together or anywhere, it's fine. Save this document in work is J5 evidence followed by your candidate number. For example, J5 evidence under 99. So save it as it is an RTF document, we have to save it as a Word document. Okay, it should be J5 evidence, and then I'm just going to use the 9999. Yes. Create a web page called j1531 home. Open the front page. You will create a new web page. This is the page, so it's fine. We're going to name it as j1531 home.htm. Okay, save as. Go to your the folder that you just made. This is j1531. Save it as j1531.htm. Okay, home. Okay, save as. I'm going to name it as home. So the table structure is given as follows: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows and 1 2 3 maximum 3 columns. Insert the table 7 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so it should be arranged like this. The top row is merged cells. The this column is merged, and this row is merged like this. Then you have to set the dimensions of each cell. Cell A 400 by 80, so 400 is the width. Okay, cell properties, specify width in pixels, width should be 400, and specify height 80. Apply. Okay. Okay, this is what you have to do. This is the width and the height. Be 300 by 80. So what I'm going to do, this is it, 300 by 80, 300 by 80. Then we have this cell, the rightmost, M100 by 580. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go to this cell. This is the cell. I'm just going to write width equal to 100, height equal to, height is 580. So it's up to you how you want to do it. Width, height, 100 by 100, 200 by 100. So all this you have to. Okay. D, the island, image of a Maldivian hotel. Okay, let's see. Hotel. Okay, Maldives, you know that it has huts and everything. So this can be the Maldivian hotel. This should go in cell D. Okay, but you can just click and drag it here. Okay, and then remove this D. Then you have E, F, E, the image of a boat. Okay, image of a boat. This is a boat here. E. Okay, it has bigger image, so it has some rearranged your table. In cell F, you should have image of a clownfish. I think yeah, this is not a fish, so this is a fish, so this can be the fish. Okay, in cell G you have image of a sunset. This can be the sunset. This is, you can see this also showing, but it can be image of a sea also. So this should go here. Okay, remove the letters. Make sure each of the images in are 96 by 96 pixels. So you'll check, you can see all these are smaller, so you can check this one, picture properties, specify width and size 96 by don't keep the aspect ratio 96 by 96 because you have to specify both things. Okay, now it should be fine, 96 by 96. Okay, these appear the same. Okay, and in cells you have to insert these texts, so make sure that you are writing the correct spelling. Set all the styles at H2. Okay, set as H2. Select all one by one. Okay, so all the text has been set as H2, you can see from here. Then we have place the image 13 fish. Place the image. This is it. Okay. This is what you have to do. Then use the image of the island placed in step 7 and the text which island to create hyperlinks. So basically this step you have to make two hyperlinks. The same thing you have to do for both the image and the text. Okay. To the page j15 island racing, which will open a new window called underscore choose island. Okay, I'm just going to copy paste this. So this is which island? Okay, for this image you have to insert the hyperlink. Existing file or web page. It should go to j15island.htm target frame underscore choose island. Okay, the same as for the text, hyperlink, then select the file that you want, target frame underscore choose island. Okay, then we have make sure each image has appropriate alternate text attribute. Okay, so alternate text you have to select each image one by each image, every image on this page. Picture properties, general, and then the alternative representations you have to select text. For example, you can write island image. Okay, so same goes for all the images. Okay, this is your file. As it is like not fully visible, so what you can do, you can go to full screen, or you can just reduce the zoom out a little bit. Okay, take the screenshot. I will open the snippet tool. If it's not available, you can simply press the print screen button. Okay, I want to select this. Okay, copy, and you can this replace. You don't have to go, without selecting, don't paste it. Replace, select, and then paste it here. Okay, so like this shows, see, this is the folder. It also shows the file path. It also shows the whatever has been done here. In your evidence document, replace the text HTML1 here with the HTML source. HTML1 here. So HTML source is this. Copy and then paste it here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to reduce some line spacing so that it doesn't take too much space. One, remove the spaces, and also just make remove any empty lines. Okay. Then open the file CSS. I'm going to make another video for this, so stay tuned.